Hi boys and girls, it's Shane. I feel like I may be going too far today with this, but this is some black sand from an aquarium. I want you to tell me what you think. If this is going over the top, if I should just let it go, or if I'm being petty or too mischievous. I don't know. I have a prankster side, and you're going to get to see that in full force today. I have a city inspector coming out for a final inspection. He has no idea what's about to happen and why this is going to be significant. But this city inspector has been causing me problems for a few months with stop work notices for things that I'm working on without a permit that don't require permits. So things like changing a ceiling fan without a permit. He came out and issued a stop work notice after I published TikTok videos. In reality, they want me to stop making TikTok videos on how to do stuff. Don't know why. That's what's going on. But this black sand and a little bit of creativity, I think I'm going to be able to teach him a lesson and maybe cause him to not mess with me again in the future. Let's see how it works out. The wife is in here getting ready for our event, aren't you?
Indeed.
I like your dress. Turn around, let me see your dress. Face me. I like that side too, but yeah, don't you look lovely?
Thank you,
So
dear.
you're in here getting ready for what we're about to do with the city inspector.
Mischief.
Mischief, yes. Are you excited or are you scared?
I think it'll be funny.
Are you intimidated by it?
Maybe a little, but I feel like we're going to be scaring the poor guy.
Oh, you think he's going to be afraid?
Maybe.
Oh. It is the Halloween season, isn't it? So in a moment, he's going to be coming in through this door. This is the room he needs to inspect. This is over a tiny amount of termite damaged floorboards that were here, just in that area. And we ended up having to replace just that section. Normally, you wouldn't need a building permit for that. I want to make sure I capture his reactions properly, so we're going to set up an extra camera in here that's going to be looking over there as he comes in, because this is going to be fun. So I've only got about a half an hour, and I've got to get this whole thing ready. I think that's enough time, but we're going to definitely have to work quick. So this is the bag of sand. I'm going to cut a little nodule here so we can sprinkle it in a clear pattern. And of course, Shay is helping me with my mischief today. So we've got to put all the candles on the line. All right, this is looking creepy. Are we going to scare him? How's he going to react to this? I don't know. Shay, you spent a lot of work on this. Thank you, buddy. What do you think, dear? If you were a building inspector coming in, not expecting this, would this creep you out?
It'd definitely be interesting.
I think this is going to be great. Oh, look at you. I like your little hearts on your shoes. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I expected Keith.
Yeah, I figured.
I'm Shane. Who are you?
Cody.
Cody.
Keith is my counterpart.
Keith is the counterpart. Okay, so I don't really know, it was just a floor joist damage that we
Yeah, Keith
covered
said
over-
this. Keith said it's a final, and you just see that it's done, and then you'll be good to go.
Okay, so...
I haven't been over here. I haven't met you yet, so.
Right. Well, I'm Shane.
I know this is new floor, so I don't really.
Oh, it's fine. How do you... Come on in. So the floor that was replaced is in here, if you want to take a look. You can go on in, it's fine. You can go on in, it's fine. Over here was where the termite damage was, so it was just this little area there.
Looks good.
So I got the building permit over here. If you would like to sign it for me.
And I'll take this with me, and then you keep this part.
Okay, well, I want to make sure I get it all signed and proper. How often do you do building permits for replacing a little bit of termite damage in about a 4 to 5 foot square foot area of floor?
Anywhere there's floor joist damage, and the floor joists need to be replaced, typically.
So how often would you say? In a week?
I
Or in a month? How often?
mean, it's usually whenever someone comes in and applies for a permit for it, so I can't really say how often, but.
Just know lots of people do this without permits all over town all the time, so...
Anywhere there's framing involved, we like to have it looked at because of safety reasons.
Well, I hope you have a very good Halloween season. It's coming up tomorrow, right?
That's my favorite.
Is it great? Awesome. Thank you for coming out.
Yes, sir.
Good job, dear. It wasn't Keith. It was the younger guy. He was way cool about it. Well, kind of. He was kind of giggly a little bit at the end, so I think that's fun. He's going to have a story to tell the guys when he goes back.
Well,
And
you've talked about this some, I feel like, online.
I did not talk about the specifics on purpose online. I just said we'd have a special surprise. And I wonder if that's part of why Keith didn't show up today. Either way, he's going to hear about this when he gets back to the office. Thank you, darling. You're amazing.